2014 Cadillac CTS Coupe. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.